Apple has just announced a major leadership change that could shape its future direction. John Ternus will become CEO on September 1, 2026, as Tim Cook transitions to executive chairman. With Ternus, 25 years of hardware expertise, Apple faces new challenges in AI and post-iPhone growth. When pandemic relief funds are funneled into crypto, the risks of unchecked fraud become crystal clear. Carmine Agnello, grandson of John Gotti, was sentenced to 15 months in prison and ordered to repay $1.27 million after diverting $420,000 in fraudulent EIDL loans into a crypto business. This case highlights how rapid emergency funding and weak verification enabled misuse, exposing vulnerabilities in both government aid and the crypto sector. Fraudsters are now targeting ships in the Strait of Hormuz, demanding Bitcoin or USDT as fake transit fees. As Iran officially collects crypto for passage, scammers impersonate officials and request payments with detailed ship data, making it hard to tell real from fake. Crypto's speed and anonymity let attackers vanish quickly, putting hundreds of vessels and crews at risk in this high-pressure trade zone. Another massive crypto hack just hit. Lazarus Group stole $285 million from Solana's Drift protocol. The market barely blinked, since traders already expected more $100 million plus hacks by year-end. Analysts say state-backed attacks like this are now fully priced in, with no immediate effect on Solana's price. When a $294 million exploit hit KelpDAO, it triggered a $6 billion drop in Aave's total value locked and a 22% plunge in Aave's price. Attackers used stolen RSETH as collateral on Aave, exposing how interconnected DeFi protocols can amplify risk. This event highlights the structural vulnerabilities in DeFi lending when cross-chain assets are compromised. Record-breaking Bitcoin sell-offs by public miners signal a massive shift as billions in capital move from crypto mining to artificial intelligence. With mining profits near historic lows and costs soaring, industry giants like Marathon Digital and Riot Platforms are liquidating reserves and investing in AI data centers. This trend raises new questions about the long-term security of the Bitcoin network. A major film starring Gadot and Casey Affleck is about to bring the mystery of Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto to the big screen. The movie explores Craig Wright's disputed claims and how they've divided the crypto world. With AI-generated visuals and a high-stakes thriller plot, this film could reshape public views on Bitcoin's origins. Trump meme coin just took another hit as the team transferred 7.59 million tokens, worth $21.81 million, into BitGo custody. This move has fueled selling pressure, with Trump falling to $2.81 and market data showing sellers dominating both spot and futures markets. If the team sells these tokens, the price could drop below $2.70, highlighting ongoing risks for holders. Imagine if the developer you trust in your favorite crypto project is actually a North Korean operative using a fake identity. The Kedman project, funded by the Ethereum Foundation, uncovered about 100 DPRK-linked IT workers infiltrating 53 crypto projects with forged documents and AI-generated profiles. Their exposure led to new open-source security tools, industry frameworks, and over $5.8 million in recovered funds, raising the bar for Web3 security worldwide. Could Bitcoin's core be at risk as developers propose freezing legacy addresses to counter quantum attacks? The BIP 361 upgrade aims to block and eventually migrate at-risk coins, including Satoshi's stash, using a three-phase plan with zero-knowledge recovery. This controversial move has ignited fierce debate over balancing security and Bitcoin's foundational principles. When Iran suddenly closed the Strait of Hormuz, crypto traders rushed to Hyperliquid, moving over $500 million in synthetic oil futures during the weekend. Blockchain-based platforms like Hyperliquid enabled 24/7 trading, letting users hedge energy risks, while traditional markets were shut. Oil prices spiked, with Brent crude jumping above $90, and open interest on synthetic markets hitting a record $2 billion. Ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz were reportedly charged $2 million in Bitcoin or stablecoins, highlighting crypto's growing role in global geopolitics. The Strait's closure quickly reversed positive market sentiment, with Bitcoin dropping below $76,000. Meanwhile, PayPal USD and the stablecoin market hit new highs, signaling readiness for mass adoption despite volatility.